Before starting this video, I want to make it very clear that I am not part of any government institution, NGO, group of people of a political nature, legions, sects, religious groups, virtual communities, or other terms that follow this concept.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff. 32 minutes past the hour. Liftoff on Apollo 11.
Since the beginning of time, when man ceased to be irrational, the search for knowledge, for new discoveries, for knowing more, it was very important on this journey, in this reality, in which we call life. Many, for sure, still wonder, what is the meaning of life? What is the purpose of life? This question has always echoed. The understanding of the term life may never be fully conveyed to us, because its complexity goes far beyond our understanding. Even for us, human beings, where limit is only a word, a term, which had never really limited our intellectual capacity. We created everything. Everything that shapes this modern world today is the result of someone's intellectual capacity. We investigate and know every part of this world, so to speak. We discover, create, we are discovering, we are creating, until the moment comes when we ask ourselves, are we alone? The search for life on other planets, and other realities different from ours, has been constant. Nations fight each other to be the first to make some surprising discovery, with the aim of revolutionizing the world and marking its name in history. An example of this was the space race between the United States and the Soviet Union, in which supposedly the United States would have been the first country nation to send a man to the moon. We watch planets, constellations, galaxies, stars, signs. We are always seeking, always alert to any sign or information that gives indications of the existence of intelligent life outside our planet Earth. We have already sought life on the moons of other planets, on planets that are in green zone, potentially habitable, or even on neighboring planets, such as Mars. There is life on another planet, or rather, in another galaxy. It's always been under our nose. I'm not going to tell you exactly how this discovery was made. I know that this galaxy has already been extensively studied, but I ask that the big space agencies pay extra attention to it. There is always something to study. The study, however complete it may be, will never have a concrete end. There's always more. Exactly. What is the galaxy that in the not-so-distant future will be colliding with the Milky Way? Andromeda? Yes, Andromeda. There is life in Andromeda. I can't say exactly where life is located in this galaxy, or on which planet life is coupled, but the life that exists there is rational, smart. One of their characteristics is that they have a bluish skin tone. That's the information I'm going to give you right now. I could keep this information with me and wait for the weather to surprise you all. However, we are mortal beings. I need to see what everyone's reaction will be when contemplating such a featuring. Before everyone asks, this is not about any fake video or video to give eyeball. I don't need that. This is also not an assumption. They're just facts. Believe me, not fanciful facts, real facts. I'm not going to say how, where, or why. I'll just let you know. There is life in Andromeda. Maybe all eyes will turn to Andromeda after this video. Or maybe this video is simply ignored and goes unnoticed. However, at some point they will find life in this galaxy. And when they find it, the video will already be available. Maybe some say, it's just an empty galaxy. It's impossible to have life. Maybe they'll spend 10, 15, 20 years searching and find nothing. But keep going. There is life in Andromeda. Not life formed by bacteria or fungi. Intelligent and rational life. There is life in Andromeda.